Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarship Times, your own education channel. Hope you are doing good today. In today's video, we will discuss about the Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarship 2022 in Japan. This is one of the most prestigious scholarships in the world. Before telling you in detail, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more future updates regarding scholarship. Let's get started. Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarship 2022 for international students. The applications are invited to apply for the Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarships 2022 in Japan. All international students from all over the world are eligible to apply for Max University Recommended Scholarship 2022. Students, those who want to pursue their higher education from Japan, are highly recommended to apply for the scholarship. Max is the most prestigious scholarships of Japan. Fully funded scholarship is available to undertake master degree or PhD degree from Tokyo Institute of Technology. There is no need of IELTS, TOEFL to apply for these scholarships. Almost all academic fields and majors are offered by TaiTech University under Max Scholarship to study abroad for postgraduate degree program. The scholarship will cover all the expenses. Students having English proficiency certificate can apply for the award. The master degree scholarship duration is 2 years, while it's 3 years or PhD degree scholarships. Tokyo Institute of Technology was established in 1881 and it is a national research institution. Tokyo Institute of Technology is the largest public university in Japan. According to QS Global World Ranking, it is ranked at 56 in the world. More than 10,000 national and international students are enrolled in the university. Japan is considered as the hub of education and leading country in technology. Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarship Detail. University Tokyo Institute of Technology Degree Level Master PhD Scholarship Coverage Fully Funded. Eligibility Nationality International Award Country Japan. Last date to apply 8 December 2021. Financial benefits. Tokyo Institute of Technology in Japan is a full free scholarship that will provide all the necessary expenses to selected students to complete their degrees from Japan. The scholarship is offered by Japan Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology. Max detail is given below. Free application, admission or tuition fees, round trip airfare to Japan, monthly stipend for master degree, 1,47,000 per month Japanese yen, and for doctoral degree 1,48,000 per month. Scholarship durations: combined master and doctoral degree 3 years, master degree 2 years, PhD degree 3 years. List of available study fields. Candidate can select study area from given below academic field and majors that is offered by Japanese Government Scholarship. School of Science: Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Earth and Planetary Sciences. School of Engineering: Mechanical Engineering, System and Control Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Information and Communication Engineering, Industrial Engineering and Economics. School of Material and Chemical Technology program includes Material Science and Engineering, Chemical Science and Engineering. School of Computing includes Mathematical and Computing Science and Computer Science. School of Life Sciences and Technology includes Life Sciences and Technology. School of Environment and Society includes Architecture and Building Engineering, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Transdisciplinary Science and Engineering, Social and Human Sciences. Eligibility criteria. Applicants have to meet the following criteria to apply for Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarship 2022 in Japan. Applicant must hold the citizenship of a country that has diplomatic relations with Japan. Applicant must have demonstrated excellent academic achievement. Applicant must have been born on or after April 2, 1986. Person who have successfully completed 16-year education outside Japan or who are expected to do so by the day before the enrollment date. Applicant must be physically and mentally able to pursue studies in Japan. Applicant must apply for the field of study that they studied at their previous university or a related field. Must have a undergraduate degree if applying for master degree. Must have a master degree if applying for PhD program. Those students whose language institute was in English can submit English proficiency certificate from their university and they are exempted from language test. Application deadline. The last date to apply for the next Japanese Government Scholarship 2021 in Japan for international student is 8 December 2021. How to apply for Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarship. There is no online application process to apply for Tokyo Institute of Technology Max Scholarships 2022 in Japan. Applicants have to submit application with desired document to university by post. Visit given below link to know about document attached and the requirement, and the official link is given in description section. Click on that link and proceed accordingly. Thank you for your time.